Can you do, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands?
No.
Are you not happy? Can you do, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands? Clap, clap. No. Oh, we're so sad. Oh, sad face. Yeah, that's you. Who is that? Who is that? That's not Mimi. Who is that? Is that Lobber?
Love
Yeah. Who am I?
you. Juju.
I'm not Juju. Who am I? Mama?
Mama.
Mama. That's right. I'm Mama. Can you say, hooray? What's that? Pencil? Yeah. You like to use pencils, don't you? You gotta focus. We have to put on a little show for the people. You have to show them. You show them your feet? Feet. Look at those long legs. Look at those long legs. Yeah. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? You don't want to cooperate this morning? I'm trying to get you to put on a show. What's that? Can you show everybody what you have? Pen? Pen, that's right. What's a pen do? Ooh. Ooh. I know this is really entertaining.
TV.
TV, that's right, it's a TV. Are you wanting to write on the TV with your pen? Because that's not going to happen. Daddy would be very upset. Say hello to everybody out there, especially say hello to your Grandma. She'll watch this every day. Can you say hello, Grandma?
Hello.
That's right. Hello, Grandma. Can you blow her kisses? Good. Can you say, I love you?
I love you.
Good job.
Happy.
Can you say, happy day?
Happy day.
That's right, happy day. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Night-night.
Bye. Bye.